Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 3rd through the 9th. And it's kind of a funky week. The reason why I say it's kind of a funky week, the reason why I say it's kind of a funky week is because we didn't have a booster on Sunday, and I know a lot of people like to go Sunday and Monday to do their shopping, but we didn't get a booster good until Tuesday. And with the holiday weekend, I wasn't able to shop because I was spending time with my daughter. She'd come home for a visit. So it actually worked out perfect for me. So I did get on 2 accounts, I did get a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So on one account, we're going to be using that with a paper booster. And then on another account, we're just going to build that up a little bit and use Walgreens cash to pay and not use a paper booster with that. So the cost of that one will be a little bit higher, but the out of pocket will be low. So, you know, it just all depends on how you like to coupon, and I'll like to show you a few different ways. So we also got the P&G coupon going on. Not as many things are attaching to that, I guess you could say it that way. Just not as many things are producing that P&G coupon, but there are still a lot of great things that are producing it. So I definitely want to show you guys that. So anyways, guys, that's really all I have. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah. I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to be doing is a transaction with the Tide and some oral care to see if we get that $5 P&G coupon. Now, for reference, if you're trying to get that P&G coupon by itself with other register rewards, you can always use Walgreens cash to pay. I will not be using Walgreens cash to pay for this transaction because I have a digital booster and a paper booster. Now, you can grab the package of Tide Pods right there, the 57 count. They're priced at $15.99. My store is not priced correctly. I am going to grab this one for $18.99, but you can grab the Gain for $18.99 or the bottle here for $21.99. I am grabbing the bottle down below for $18.99. Then I am going to grab 2 of the floss picks. These are priced at $4 a piece, and they're buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. So that is all you'll need to grab for the P&G coupon. So the 3 products will equal out to $26.99. I have a $4 digital for the Tide, and then I have a $4 only for you digital for the floss picks. I will also be using that $5 P&G coupon from a previous transaction. That is okay to use with this, and you will get the other one back. Now for some full transparency here, sometimes when I use this coupon, I do not get it back. I don't know if it's the store or the machine, but I just want to let you guys know that. So anyways, so after my coupons, my total will be $13.99. I'll get back a $5 P&G coupon register reward. I'll also get back $3 in the register reward for the floss picks. So that makes all 3 of these products just $5.99 or about $1.97 a piece. And I'll pay $1.97 for that big bottle of Tide, no problem. I seen this store had these still on clearance, but it was marked down even further to $3.99 instead of $9.99. So I'm going to submit to ShopMeum. I have a second ShopMeum account for $5 back. That'll make this a little over $1 moneymaker. Now, I didn't see on my Fetch account the 7,000 points back, so I won't be able to get that, but I will hang on to my receipt in case something else pops up that's maybe a little bit lower than the $7. So then we're going to grab one more thing, and that is going to be on the Tresemme. The Tresemme is 2 for $12. Buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. So of course, we're going to grab 2 of them, and that will equal out to $12. I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so then I'll pay $8 for them. I'll get back a $5 register reward, making them $3 for both of them, or $1.50 a piece, which isn't a bad deal. So that's everything for my first transaction. My total here for everything is $42.98. I was trying to get to $40 because I do have a spend 40, get back $9 paper booster, and I will be using a couple of register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket. And I also have the spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. So my total for everything is $42.98. I have the $4 digital for the Tide, $4 digital for the Tresemme, and the $4 digital for the Glide Floss Picks. I also have that $5 P&G coupon that I will be using. I'll pay $25.98, not including the register rewards I'm using to lower my out-of-pocket. I'll get back $14 in Walgreens cash for my boosters. I'll get back a $5 P&G rebate. I'll get back a $3 register reward for the Glide Floss Picks, and I'll get back a $5 register reward for the Tresemme. I'll also get back $5 from Shop.with. That's going to make everything in my cart free and a 602 moneymaker. That makes me super happy. So now we're going to do another transaction, and I messed this one up. I messed this deal up for the Click toothbrush. That's my own fault for not double, triple checking it before I started my video. I was under the assumption that the Click toothbrush is part of a promotion where you buy the toothbrush and you get a $6 register reward, but it's part of a promotion where you spend $12, you get back a $6 register reward. So I did not do this correctly. I was $2 short, but the store still gave me the rewards, so I'll talk about it at the end. So we're going to grab one of these for $9.99, and I have a $5 only for you digital coupon that is no longer available to clip, and that was actually an old coupon from, I think, July. So if you clipped it then you should still have it. So I will give you the correct math for the way the deal is supposed to go in the video. So first we'll grab the Click toothbrush, and then we're going to grab a double pack of the Oral-B Pulsar toothbrushes, priced at $10.99, and there's a $3 digital coupon for that one. So the total would be $20.98 for both sets of toothbrushes, and then we have $8 in digital coupons. That'll make your total $12.98. But then you'll get back a $5 P&G coupon and a $6 register reward, making all of the toothbrushes just $1.98, which is a phenomenal deal. And in my mind, getting the one Click toothpaste or toothbrush with a $6 register reward and a $5 digital coupon was an even better deal, but it is what it is, guys. So anyways, so next we're going to grab the Crest 3D White Brilliance. These are on sale for $7, and they're buy two, get back a $5 register reward. So I'm going to grab two of the same flavor, just so that I know that my digital coupon will come off. So the two of these will equal out to $14. We have a $5 digital coupon that'll make our total $9. We'll get back a $5 register reward, making them $4, but then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back on each one of them, making them just $1 a piece. But we're going to add this in with that Click toothbrush so that we can get that $5 P&G coupon on the oral care. So here is the three products together. That equals out to $23.99. I will be using this $5 P&G coupon from a previous transaction, plus the $5 Click coupon and the $5 coupon for the Crest. So that'll take off $15. That'll make my total $8.99. I'll get back a $5 register reward for the Crest and a $5 P&G coupon. And that's what the deal should have been, making this a 101 moneymaker. Not bad, not bad at all. And you can use Walgreens cash to pay. But in my mind at the time, I thought I was also getting back a $6 register reward, and I told my store that, and they just gave me the Walgreens cash for it. So it was a little bit better of a moneymaker for me, but that's not what's going to typically happen for most people. So it's just a 101 moneymaker. So next we're going to get the Head & Shoulders. The Head & Shoulders are on sale for $6, and they're buy two, get back a $4 register reward. So I am going to be grabbing two of the $6 kind. The more expensive kind is included, but I want to get the cheaper kind. The two of them will cost $12. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So that'll make our total $9. We'll get back that $4 register reward, making them $5 or $2.50 a piece, which isn't terrible. And we're going to put them in with our transaction, of course, for a much better deal. So this is everything that we are grabbing here today in this transaction. Now, I didn't need to grab the Head and Shoulders, but I wanted to build my transaction up a little bit so that way I could use my coupons as cash to pay, and I could use some Walgreens cash, and then I could still get back my booster. So I do have a video linked down below in the description box on how to do that in a much more detailed way. So if you want to figure how to do that, then definitely check that video out below. So the total for everything is $35.99. We have that $3 digital for the Head and Shoulders, the $5 digital for the Click, and the $5 digital for the Crest. I will be throwing in the $5 P&G coupon. I will also be throwing in $8 in register rewards, and that'll make my total $9.99. And I will use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. And since in my state, Walgreens cash will cover tax, I have gotten enough to where I can use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay and only pay the tax. Now, if your state doesn't allow that, just throw in a small candy bar. I think there are some for 99 cents this week, and then you can use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. But what's the actual math for this transaction? So, like I said, everything is priced together for $35.99. We're using $18 in coupons, so that'll make our total $17.99. But then we'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash for our booster. We'll get back a $4 register reward for the Head and Shoulders, a $5 register reward for the Crest, and a $5 P&G coupon. So that makes everything free. Now, my store did give me back some Walgreens cash for that Click, which they shouldn't have, and I wouldn't have asked for it if I had known. So it was a 601 moneymaker for me, but it would be just free for you guys. So it's still a really good transaction, and I'm happy with these bread and butter items that I got. So I'm glad to share this deal with you despite the mistakes. So that is everything. Let's go out to the car, take a look at all the receipts, and see how it all went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and there was a slight issue, but the store fixed it, and we're just gonna roll with it. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is, and I don't think I can try it again. We'll see. So we'll go with the first transaction that I did yesterday with the Tresemme, the Raid, the Oral-B Floss Picks, and the Giant Tide. So I had to spend $40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash booster. So you can see that here on my receipt. So I had two $5 register rewards that I used, and then I used the $5 P&G coupon. And then I had three $4 digital coupons. 4 for the Tide, 4 for the Oral-B, and then 4 for the Tresemme. That brought my total down to $15.98. Add $10 for the register rewards. That made my total $25.98. I did get back the $5 register reward for the Tresemme and a $3 register reward for the Floss Picks. I also got back a $5 P&G coupon. I talked about this on my stories yesterday that the Oral-B Floss Picks together with the Tide produced that $5 coupon. I also got back $14.42 in Walgreens cash, 5 for my paper booster. I'm sorry, 5 for my digital booster and 9 for my paper booster. I also submitted my receipt to Shop.with, so I have 2 Shop.with, like I had 2 coupons.com, and I got back $5 for the Raid Essentials. That was actually $3.99 this week. A couple weeks ago I got it and it was $9.99. So anyways, this time it was marked down and they had one left for $3.99. So that was a small money maker. So anyways, that makes my total for that transaction free and a $6.44 money maker. Sorry, the air's blowing right in my eyes. And I'm really, really happy with that because I got a 115-ounce bottle of Tide. 115-ounce bottle of Tide. And I didn't pay a ton out of pocket. Yes, I paid $15.98 out of pocket, but it wasn't $40 out of pocket. So I was happy with that one. So for the next transaction, this is the one that gave me the slight problem. So I got the Head and Shoulders, and I got the Oral-B Click, and I got the Crest, the Fancy Crest toothpaste. I call it fancy because it's a pretty box. But anyways, So here's my receipt. So there's my register rewards that come off, a $5 and a $3. Then I had that $5 PNG coupon. Then I had a $5 digital for the Crest. I had a $5 only for you for the Oral-B, and then a $3 off 2 for the Head and Shoulders. And that brought my total to $9.99. So I had $26 in coupons. So that meant whatever was left over, I could pay in Walgreens cash because I already spent $20 in the eyes of Walgreens with my coupons. Because the coupons that I used is the same as cash, and I had already spent over $20. So my total was $9.99. Now my state covers tax, so I just used $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the tax for that transaction, and that's it. So add in the $8 in register rewards that I used, and that makes my total $17.99 for that transaction. So I did get back a $5 PNG coupon here. So I spent, I think, $23.99 between the Crest and the Oral-B Click. So I did get that. I did not get the $6 register reward for the Click. Maybe I'm not understanding the deal correctly, but I was under the impression that you would get the $6 if you just got the Click. So maybe that's not correct, and I will put right here if I got it wrong. And I'm sure I've already mentioned that I got it wrong, because when I'm done recording here, I'm going to go take a look at the deal again. But I did get back the $5 PNG coupon for that toothpaste, so that's good. And I did not get the register reward for the Head and Shoulders, which we all know the Head and Shoulders. I got the same Head and Shoulders. It was tagged. There was no reason why I shouldn't have got it, but I did not get it. And of course, the printer is working because I got these two. So that's Walgreens for you. But the store did give me back $10 in Walgreens cash for that, because this is my regular store. Even though I moved, I'm in the area. So I wanted to film here because I love this store. I also got a coupon here, so that's always fun. So then, and I did get back $5.25 in Walgreens cash, because I did have that booster on there, and because of my coupons and spending the $20 in coupons, that's how I got that. But I've already talked about that a few times, so I'm not going to keep repeating myself. And then there's always a video down below if you are unsure of how to do that. Then I submitted my receipt to iBought It and got back $2 for those Crest Brilliance toothpaste. So that makes that transaction for everything free, and a $9.26 moneymaker, which is crazy. Because I was able to build up that transaction. So I'm really happy with Walgreens this week. I didn't go crazy. I didn't go over the top. But I'm really happy with what I got. I didn't spend a lot out of pocket, which is also very important, because it is very easy to go overboard and spend $45 on a transaction at Walgreens. I did that a lot in the beginning, and I still do that sometimes if I'm getting a lot back and I have the money in my PayPal debit card, but I don't always do that. It just depends. It's not linear. Like I've said before, it's not linear. Sometimes it's cool for you, but the next person might not be cool with that. So it's all about what is good for you, and that is what's good for me sometimes. So anyways, what's my total for my transaction? My transactions. My total for both of my transactions were free and a $15.70 moneymaker, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I love everything that I got this week. So yeah, that is really all I have. So thank you so much for watching. Leave any questions you have down below in the description box, and I'll answer them for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.